What is going on, man? And welcome to the Tiege Hanley channel. Today, we're gonna talk about razor burn. Listen, whether you're a beginner shaver or you've been doing it for decades, every man pretty much has experienced razor burn at some point, and it sucks. Not only is it uncomfortable and unattractive, you get all that redness everywhere, but it's also bad for your skin too. Thankfully, it is not a given whenever you have to shave. There are ways to prevent it. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. Let's get into it. So let's go ahead and start with what razor burn is. So it's actually a form of contact dermatitis that shows itself by making your skin red. That's sort of how it appears. This usually happens after shaving too closely or too aggressively to the skin, usually with a blade that's not ideal. Usually it's a little bit dull. As you probably know, especially if you're watching this video, it can lead to itchiness, stinging, and even a burning sensation. As we mentioned, the blade you're using can play a pretty big role in this. You don't want to go ahead and use the same blade 20 times, right? Especially if you have thick facial hair. Max, you want to use it 5 to 7 times and then switch the blade top. And if you do have thick facial hair, you're going to want to replace that top even more often. And just in general, you're going to want to use a blade that has at least 5 blades per top. If you're worried about affordability, there's plenty of razors out there that you can get for cheap that fit this description. So do some research, see if you can find one. All right, now let's talk about how you can stop getting razor burn once and for all. A big thing you should do is wash your face before you shave. This is gonna make sure your skin is clean from any grime, dirt, or bacteria. This is gonna minimize irritation, plus your skin is gonna be a lot better off if you do have this daily skincare routine. Matter of fact, a 2017 study from Skimmed actually found that guys who have a twice a day, 3-step skincare routine actually had less skin inflammation and they were more resistant to that irritation than guys who didn't have one. Speaking of that daily skincare routine, Tiege Hanley actually has a twice a day, 3-step skincare routine that includes a daily face wash, an AM moisturizer, and a PM moisturizer. And that way you have all the protection you need against this razor burn and skin irritation. Next up, you want to shave with the grain. Basically, you want to shave in the direction that your facial hair grows. So for my beard, I would shave down this way instead of like against it like this. Doing it like this is going to cause a lot more irritation. The reason for that is that it pulls on the hair follicles and tugs on the skin. This leads to irritation, inflammation, and even razor bumps, and none of those are sexy. Next up, after your shave, rinse with cold water and use a quality aftershave balm. Now, if right now you're using a regular aftershave, you should consider switching to a lotion-based aftershave. The reason is this can further reduce and even prevent razor burn. And after you use your aftershave, rinse your face with cold water to close your pores to prevent any dirt or bacteria to get into them. And whether it's your aftershave or some other skincare products, try using some that have cucumber extract, as this has been proven to help that skin irritation, even help prevent it. Next, you want to use a hydrating facial moisturizer throughout the day. Don't just do this for days that you shave. You should at least be doing it in the morning and at night. It's going to lead you to having healthier skin. Not only will this help prevent razor burn, but it'll also avoid any weird dry patches anywhere on your skin and make sure it's going to keep your skin hydrated. Plus, keeping your skin hydrated is actually going to keep your skin in a better balance, which is key for avoiding that type of irritation and inflammation that comes with razor burn. Actually, according to the Journal of Wound Care's 2016 study, keeping your skin in a good hydration balance actually improved its healing ability. So again, make sure you're moisturizing at least in the morning and at night to keep that skin hydrated. Anyway, man, I hope you enjoyed the video and that you can start preventing razor burn once and for all because nobody likes it. If you want to see more from Tiege Hanley, you can check out this right here. And if you want to see more of Tiege Hanley's products, you can check out this right here. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.